Hello.
Hello. How are you
How are you today?
today?
How are you today? Hello.
Hello.
How are you today? Hello.
Hello.
How are you today?
Assalamualaikum, uncle.
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you today? Hello.
Oh shit, hello.
How are you today?
Yes, I'm good. You?
I'm well. I'm well.
How old are you? How old are you?
You want pizza?
Where do you come from? Where do you come from?
Pizza.
I,
England.
I'm Indonesia. I'm from Indonesia.
Do you want visa?
I'm student. How about you?
I'm a student. How about you?
Wait, Canada in English. Do you want a visa?
What? Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm well. How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
Uh,
I'm a student.
Oh, you're a student. Why?
where do you come from?
I'm work.
What?
I'm work.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
How are you today? How are you today? Hello.
Hello.
How are
How
you
are you
today?
today?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm well. Where do you come from?
I'm from London, United Kingdom.
I'm from Indonesia. I'm student. How about you?
I'm a student. How about you?
I'm an engineer.
What is your name?
Colin.
I'm Nadia.
I'm Mita.
How old are you?
How are
What?
you doing?
How old are you?
I don't know. I am Indonesian.
You're very beautiful.
Thank you.
Nice face.
Thank you.
Yes. In my office.
Yeah.
Yes. Hello.